So here we are, 7 o'clock, waiting for my AAA tow truck to come down that street. And here's what happened. I got into the soft part of the ground and went all the way and almost into the tree. We're talking within. And it's soft. A ½ inch or a ½ inch. You see, it kicked up some dirt there. And it's a lot of dirt. My 4-wheel drive doesn't work, so I called AAA. And there you go. Getting stuck when it's very wet ground. We're hoping they can pull me out of here. We're just hoping. Pretty close. Hope it doesn't sink any further. I'm gonna go back here and see my tow truck's coming. It's supposed to be here at 7. It's 7 o'clock. See what is it? It's March 9th. And this Wednesday, I'm going to be going to Reno to do the home show and the gun show, and then the Sacramento gun show coming up. So where's the tow truck? I don't see him. He might get lost. He might have to call me back. We're hoping it won't be too bad.